talk about BS6 Royal Enfield Classic 350. Now I will give you information about price range, colors, engine and features. First of all, I will tell you about the pricing of this bike. This bike will be priced at rupees 1.65 lakh ex-showroom price. The BS6 Classic 350 with dual channel ABS is rupees 11,000 more costlier than the BS4 version. Royal Enfield Classic 350 will be comes with two new color options. The first color will be Stealth Black and second color will be Chrome Black. The Classic 350 Stealth Black and Gunmetal Grey will come with alloy wheels and tubeless tires as standard. Now I will tell you about the engine of this bike. The engine will be comes with BS-VI compliant 346 single cylinder fuel injected engine to become cleaner and greener along with the addition of a new catalytic converter. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.